Hi friends, welcome to my birthday party. My friends brought some cool gifts, but I need your help to guess what's inside. Are you ready? Let's go. Oh, someone's here. Let's see who it is. It's Penny the penguin. Hi Penny.
Hey Pearl, this gift is round, just like me. Can you guess what's inside?
Maybe a pizza or a snowball. A bouncy ball? Thanks, Penny.
You're welcome. What else did you get?
Oh, it's Benny the bear. Come on in, Benny.
This gift is square, like my honey jar.
Is it a sandwich? Or maybe a book? Block, let's build something awesome. It's Tara the turtle. Hi, Tara.
This gift is pointy, like my shell. Maybe it's a slice of pie or a piece of pizza.
A kite. Let's take it outside and watch it soar. Wow, it's Leo the lion. Hi, Leo.
This gift has all kinds of shapes. Guess what it is?
A spaceship? A treasure chest? A piñata. Let's break it open. Thanks for helping me guess my birthday gifts. Friends, which animal and shape was your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more fun.